A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Teaching is more than imparting knowledge, it is inspiring change. Learning is more than absorbing facts, it is acquiring understanding. Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology takes immense happiness in welcoming you all to the inauguration of ETEL sponsored faculty development program on intelligent computing in data science. She is the one who has the ability to get extraordinary achievement from ordinary people. Now I request Dr. K. Sashikala Rani, Head of Department, Computer Science and Engineering, to deliver the welcome address. Over to ma'am.
Good morning, one and all present here. An investment in knowledge pays best interest, says Benjamin Franklin. With this good note, I would like to begin my welcome address. Respected Principal Madam, guest of honor, participants, and my dear faculty fraternity, on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to ATEL-sponsored FDP on Intelligent Computing in Data Science. An intellectual exercise is only possible when there is right support and inspiration. At this juncture, I would like to welcome our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. J. Janet, who is the spark behind all our success. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable presence and your wonderful support. Next, I would like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Mohan Raj, data scientist, Rinal Nissan Technical Business Center, Advanced Technology Group, Chennai. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation to inaugurate our FDP and to enlighten our participants with your valuable input. Welcome, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome our faculty coordinators, Ms. Priya and Mr. Suresh Kumar, and our faculty members to this great event. This program would not achieve its full bloom without active participation. I extend my warm welcome to all my participants and I wish you all a holistic learning experience. Knowledge is no value unless you put it into practice, said Anton Chekhov, a famous writer. I hope all the participants take the knowledge out of this program and put it into practice. I welcome you all once again to this great event and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The best leaders not only inspire us, they develop and empower us to lead with passion from whatever position we currently hold in life. One such dynamic personality is our principal, ma'am. May I request the most respected principal, madam, Dr. J. Janet, to deliver the presidential address. Over to ma'am.
She's on mute, actually.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Mohan Raj Venkatachalam, Data Scientist, RN TBCI. Respected Convener of the Day, Dr. Shashikala Rani, HOD CSC. The coordinators, Mr. Suresh Kumar, Ms. Priya, and the CSC team, and all the participants from various institutions who are here to witness or to participate in the FDP, ATEL FDP program on intelligent computing in data sciences. Good morning to you all. At the outset, it gives me immense pleasure that our institution, the Computer Science and Engineering Department, is conducting a novel FDP of its kind. I should say one in its kind, which is on, I mean, the title is very specific and novel. I would say it's intelligent computing in data science. So how does these both relate to? You know, data science, as we all know, it's an emerging area which applies, which has applications in all arena. It has applications in medical, healthcare. It's got applications in IoT. It's got application in forecasting, government-centric policies, whatnot. So this marriage of applying intelligent computing in data science is which is what I would like to call as a emerging area, a niche field which everybody should know. Well, data science can be applied, as I already said, in all arenas. So what do we need? We need intelligent computing techniques. So by intelligent computing techniques, what do we understand is a bit of machine learning, bit of big data analytics is what is needed in analyzing this data and then presenting it in a format and forecasting the future happenings or outcomes of in any particular application area. Therefore, as teachers or as academicians, we need to know the applications of data sciences, how do we apply intelligent computing in data sciences, and so on and so forth. And going on by the list of various sessions which is lined up over this period of time, I feel that every academician and every participant will find it very interesting, very informative to walk the extra mile in applying these techniques in data science. Therefore, I wish the organizers, the CSE department, and the participants all the very best. And I hope there's going to be a lot of takeaways from all the sessions which is lined up over the period of time. And I wish you all the best. And I really sincerely thank our chief guest for gracing our inaugural program. And I'm sure and I'm hopeful that a lot of niceties, lot of nice, useful inputs and information we will certainly receive from his keynote address, which is going to follow just after this talk. Therefore, my student fraternity, faculty fraternity, and all the participants who are participating in this FTP program, I wish you all the very best. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. A little progress each day adds up to big results. It's our pleasure to introduce and to welcome our chief guest. Now I request Mr. S. Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, to introduce the chief guest. Over to sir.
Yes. It is a great honor for me to introduce our chief guest of the day. He is none other than Dr. Mohanraj Venkachalam, data scientist in Renault Nissan Technology Business Center, India Private Limited, in Advanced Technology Group, Chennai, one of the leading organization of current era. He did his PhD in Madras University of Technology, Chennai. His research areas include computer vision, video analytics, and deep learning. And also he was funded by Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. It's my privilege to share about Dr. Mohanraj Venkachalam, recent notable projects using deep learning architecture in Nissan Technology Business Center. He had developed projects in faster RCNN, smart parking system, plant safety detection. Our guest, Dr. Mohanraj Venkachalam, also developed various demanding projects while he was working as a data scientist in HCL during the year 2017 to 2019. He also developed prototype on advanced driver assistance system and POC on face recognition, so on. He had conducted master class training and bootcamp training on deep learning and machine learning. Our guest is certified with various skills as NLP with Python for machine learning, essential training, TensorFlow for artificial intelligence. Dr. Mohanraj Venkachalam has published numerous papers in reputed journals, and also he was honored with awards. Today, we have honored to have a precious person to our adult FTP. Thank you, sir, for accepting our request.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Dr. Mohanraj Venkachalam, data scientist, Renault Nissan, to deliver the inaugural address. Over to sir.
Very good morning, everyone. Data science actually we are trying. I request participants please go on mute, everyone. So currently the data science we are trying to solve several business problems, but there are few business use cases where we are trying to succeed, and we are trying to make into productions, and we are trying to make utilize of instead of placing a human being to perform certain tasks, like we are trying to perform a quality validations in the manufacturing lane, where the person having a set of checklists, and then he is trying to validate whether all the parts in the cars are placed properly, or is there any mismatch, or is there any scratch. So what we are trying to do currently, it is done by human being, where there are some mistakes or errors are happening. So where we are trying to avoid such a things, where we are trying to use camera based systems, where we are trying to integrate augmented reality with the computer visions together, and then person wearing on smart glasses, and then automatically the computer vision and machine learning and deep learning are trying to detect several parts inside the car and trying to match, is there any mismatch in the parts or not. And also we are trying to use several systems inside the plant, like there are safety compliance, basically PP, personal productive equipment. But with respect to COVID patients, like doctor used to wear all these safety measures, right? Similarly, for the manufacturing also, we have set of safety compliance, like wearing on PPE, safety helmets, goggles, gloves. So these are the things where a person has to wear before enter into the shop. And also with respect to COVID, we are also trying to implement several things, like in a cafeteria where limited persons are allowed, right? Assume that there are 200 persons allowed inside the cafeteria. So by making a person, he may not perform perfectly, like how many persons are inside and how many are going out. So we made a system based on computer vision and deep learning, where it tries to detect how many persons are inside and how many persons are going out, exit. So based on that, we are trying to limit the opening of entering of person inside the cafeteria. And also we can also check like person wearing and safety helmets, and also the mask violation. And also there are several use cases, mentioning few with respect to engineering drawing, because I'm manufacturing industry with respect to car. So before any car get manufactured, there will be a design phase where the people try to design in the CAD software. So there are certain norms with respect to government standard where the design of drawing has to be done, right? So in such cases, the drawing file has to be validated whether it complies with the safety things or the CSR thing, where the government has the set of rules, right? So there are recently Volkswagen where there are due to emissions of very high emission, they paid no huge fine. So to avoid such things, what we are trying to do, we are trying to make AI based systems which automatically validates the drawing file. And also coming back to the another use cases where with respect to invoice processing, where with respect to manufacturing, people every day they receive thousands of invoices for the products which they purchase. So manually, where they are trying to enter the values of all the invoices, and then they enter the amount, what is the supplier and amount, VAT number, all those things entering manual data entry job. So we are automated using computer vision and machine learning and deep learning, where AI-based systems with automatically extract the information from the scanned invoices, and then it makes the payment and the validations. So it optimizes the amount of time which it takes to process any of these documents. So there are plenty of use cases I'll be discussing in the sessions. It's more about what I'm going to talk about the another 1.5 hour session, like what are the different business problem, how we are trying to solve. So whether no, before we go into the product, what are the phases we try to do the testing, initial level POC, and then we make into the product. So I'll discuss more detail about the different use cases, and how we can build the deep learning models, what are the platform, and how we deploy the the machine learning and deep learning models into the hardware. So one of the main thing is that we need to deploy these models into the lightweight deep learning models or machine learning models into an hardware, which will be an hardware constrained environment like Raspberry Pi, or it may be a NVIDIA Jetson Nano. So I'll talk about detailing. So with this, so there are more number of use cases where we are trying to solve in our industry with respect to automotive, as well as my other industry also, which I worked as a part of my job role. So thank you for the opportunities. Maybe I'll discuss detailedly in my sessions about different use cases with real-time demonstrations.
It is wonderful listening to you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking speech. Gratitude is the inward feeling of kindness received. Thankfulness is the natural impulse to express that feeling. May I now request Ms. A. Priya, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, Gauri. So good morning to one and all gathered here on this memorable occasion. So I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the AICTE sponsored FTP on intelligent computing in data science. I, on behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all for giving your valuable time for this program. First and foremost, I express my sincere thanks to AICT Training and Learning Academy for providing financial support in organizing this one-week online FTP. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our MD Ma'am Srimati Malarvili, Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Shri Krishna Institutions for rendering us with all possible logistic support towards organizing this event. I express my sincere thanks to our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. J. Janet, who is the guiding force and inspiration in organizing various events. Thank you, ma'am. I wholeheartedly thank the guest of honor, Dr. Mohanraj Vengadachalam, data scientist, RNTCBI Chennai, for sparing his time under his busy schedule and grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. I thank our convener, Dr. Shashikala Rani, our HOD of our CSE department, for her stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank the present media for their support. I express my gratitude for all the speakers from industries and academia for accepting our invitation and delivering a lecture in this FTP. I would like to record my hearty thanks to all our faculty, committee members, and technical staff for their cooperation and supporting in organizing this program. I record my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for selecting our FTP. Once again, I thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We have come to the end of the inaugural session. Never stop learning because life never stopped teaching. Let us start the day one session on Introduction to Data Science and Industrial Application. So I request Dr. Mohanraj Vengadachalam sir to take over this session. Over to sir. Happy learning. Have a great day, professors. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.